and the other half on land. Amphibians are small vertebrates that need water or a very moist environment in order to survive. The species inside this group include frogs, toads, Caecilians, and salamanders. All can breathe with their lungs, and they can also absorb oxygen through their very thin, permeable skin. Amphibians also have special skin glands that produce powerful mucuses that help transport oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide in and out of their body. Some frogs can release toxins from their skin that helps protect them. To warn potential predators, the most toxic frogs are usually the most brightly colored, like the poison dart frogs. Another special feature of most amphibians is their egg, larva, adult life cycle. We call this transformation metamorphosis. The amphibian larvae are aquatic and free-swimming. I'm sure you've seen a larval frog or toad. We call them tadpoles.
At a specific size, the larvae develop limbs and lungs. Some also lose their tails. Eventually, they hop or climb out of the water as adults and spend the rest of their lives on land. The transformation isn't the same in all amphibians, but most species go through some sort of metamorphosis. Other species of animals undergo metamorphosis like butterflies. All amphibians have gills, some only as larvae and others for their entire lives.
Like reptiles, amphibians are cold-blooded. Because of their special skin, they require very specific living conditions. Too much sun can damage their skin cells, and too much wind can actually dry out their skin. Since they have absorbent, permeable skin, amphibians are usually the first to die off when their habitats are disturbed or contaminated with chemicals such as pesticides and fertilizers and other pollutants. This is why more than half of all species of frogs are in danger of extinction currently.
Frogs generally have a short body, webbed fingers and toes, bulging eyes, and no tail. Frogs are good jumpers with long, powerful legs. Toads are a terrestrial type of frog. Other types of frogs include aquatic frogs and arboreal tree-climbing frogs. Salamanders look like water lizards. They have skinny bodies, short legs, and long tails. Salamanders can regrow lost limbs and other body parts. They need wet, moist areas like wetlands and caves to survive. A newt is a type of salamander. In South Florida, we have one of the largest salamander species in the world, the two-toed Amphibian, that can grow to lengths of 3 feet or more. These salamanders are mainly nocturnal, which means that they are most active at night. Caecilians are amphibians that don't have arms or legs. They look a lot like water snakes. Some of them can be long and reach over 4 feet in length. They have a strong skull and a pointed nose that helps them burrow through dirt and mud.
Where can we find them? Amphibians have adapted to live in lots of different habitats, including streams, rivers, forests, meadows, bogs, marshes, swamps, ponds, rainforests, lakes, caves, and aquifers. Most of them like to live near the water or in very moist areas. Most adult amphibians are predators, which means they are meat-eating carnivores. Some frogs have really long, sticky tongues that they can use to catch their prey. Frogs swallow their food whole, so the size of their food is determined by the size of their mouth and their stomach. Let's learn about some fun facts about amphibians.
The largest amphibian in the world is the Chinese giant salamander. It can grow up to 6 feet long and weigh around 140 pounds. The smallest amphibian is a frog that is only 0.3 inches long.
A group of frogs is called an army. Frogs cannot live in salt water. And it is a myth that you can get warts from touching toads or frogs.
You can help local frogs by providing homes for them in your backyard. Hammer a PVC pipe into the ground, and just like that, you've created a frog condo. This method is only suitable for Florida and not other states because of local bird populations. This is a great way to encourage frogs to inhabit your backyard.